shots I want to film in 4K 24 frames per second, some at 4K 60, and occasionally 4K 120. To sum up my testing philosophy, a wedding day is very taxing on any camera. Most wedding videographers, at minimum, are
Actually, I'm out here waiting for my parcel to arrive, but Osbus came, but I think my parcel start cracks, so gotta wait for more. Yeah, it should be around anytime soon. Yeah, it's getting evident in this vlog that I wake up and then I have this crazy hair going all over me. Well, that's March, April, May, June, July, August. 6 months of no haircut, so that's what happens. Anyway, it's getting so bright outside here. Ooh, that's burning. Okay, so just me waking up to this bright sun again, and I'm gonna try to fix the exposure of the hell. I don't know what to do. Anyway, how are you guys going? Today's the 15th of September, I reckon. Yeah, and let me just double check. Yes, I'm right, it's the 15th. So lately I haven't been tracking the days, and I don't know what day it is and everything else, but yeah, today's the 15th of September, and yeah, I just decided to wake up. I've been trying to get up early, because the thing is, with this pandemic and all this stay-at-home thing, I've been waking up so late, and like it's really bad late, and whenever I wake up early I just go back to sleep, so it is not a good thing. We must go out and do something, well, just in the garage though. Anyway, so yeah, decided to go ahead and get subs for my YouTube. Usually before I opt to have only people who could just discover my YouTube and then just like it, because the thing is, the main purpose of this YouTube, as what I've said over and over again, is for me to know how to edit and also, yeah, get used to a camera and everything else. So lately I have this challenge to myself to get more subs, so this is what happens. I'm trying to get subs, so yeah, I posted in some websites. Hope you guys sub, and yeah, hope you like my content. Also, I'm gonna put up a video. It's getting too bright up here. I'm gonna put up a video wherein I'm gonna discuss what my gears are, so hopefully, yeah, I'm not an expert at everything, but I can show you what I have and what I'm using. So that's it. So I'm just gonna go do some stuffs here on my computer, because it's early in the morning. I'm doing quick walks, a bit of skipping rope, and that's it. So yeah. Hey man. Yes. How are ya?
Long enough, okay?
yeah.
Don't laugh at me, because this is how I am all the time.
Oh,
All the time.
I'd be worse than you.
Huh?
I'd be worse than you.
I've done it heaps of times, man. Are you working?
Okay, this is what you call lazy unboxing. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm here in the garage and trying to edit some videos for YouTube before I do my schoolwork and everything else. And also, I just want to show you this one. This is what I got from the mail. That one. So what it is that you just have to flip your screen up, and when you're doing your vlogging, you can see whatever is in there. So yeah, check that out. So if you're using cameras like these that doesn't have any flip up screen, you can see yourself. This is the Ulanzi, I don't know what's the name, but you can check them on eBay. Yeah, it's like a periscope, and it enables you to see your face when you're vlogging, because unlike the camera that I'm using now, I'm using the RX 100, which has the flip up screen. This doesn't have a flip up screen, but this is a very good camera for vlogging. So just in case, if you're interested, yeah, I'm not gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna do a review about it because there's a lot of posts on YouTube, and you can just check on it. But I'm just gonna mention that one here. So for you guys who's planning to vlog and doesn't have a flip screen, you can use this one. It's made of plastic. You can mount your microphones up there or on the side. So yeah, awesome gear. Okay, I'm gonna finish editing videos now. Oh yeah, I need to mention, I have an LCD screen for this camera, that way I can see myself when I'm vlogging. But the thing is, that LCD screen is expensive, and yeah, I already have it, so that's not a problem for me. But the thing is, when setting it up, I have to put up the LCD screen, I have to plug things on it, I have to make sure the battery's charged, I have to make sure the settings are good, and I have to take them up out of the bag and set them up. And then after that, I have to keep them, like take off the LCD screen, keep the battery, keep it charged, and everything else. So it's a lot of work. This Ulanzi thing, you just have this plastic thing and just put it on top of your camera, and you don't have to do anything. Just look at yourself. So yeah, I have the screen, but the thing is, after some time of using it and putting it out, it's gonna wear you down. So yeah, you're gonna get tired of putting it up, and yeah, might as well get the cheap Ulanzi thing. It's cheap. If you break it, you just get another one. Yeah, I forgot price though, but it's really cheap, like $15 or something. I forgot, something like that. So yeah, that's it.